The air was thick with fear, speculation, and the designs of those who believed Pakistan could be bent, Pakistan could be broken, or Pakistan could be bullied. They were wrong. They were wrong because they did not understand. They did not understand Pakistan. They did not understand the spirit that was forged in 1947, tempered in adversity and strengthened in sacrifice. This victory was not the victory of weapons alone. It was a triumph of resolve. It was a triumph of unity. It was the triumph of people who refused to kneel. From the mountains of the north to the shores of the Arabian Sea, from the fields of Punjab to the deserts of Sindh and Balochistan, Pakistan stood as one. Our armed forces fought with courage, discipline, and honor. Our diplomats defended our position with clarity and conviction. And our people, our brave and resilient people, stood firm behind their nation. Let us remember, victory is not measured by territory held or battles won. Victory is measured by dignity preserved, by sovereignty defended, by the message sent to the world that Pakistan will never be coerced, will never be silenced, and Pakistan will never surrender. There are those beyond our borders who seek to rewrite history, who seek to distort facts, who seek to bury the truth under propaganda. But history is not written by noise. History is written by nations that endure, and Pakistan has endured. We did not seek conflict. We have never glorified war. But when the test came, we did not falter. We stood our ground, not out of aggression, but out of necessity, not out of ambition, but out of duty. This moment demands not arrogance, but reflection, not complacency, but responsibility. Victory brings with it a burden. The burden to build a stronger Pakistan, the burden to ensure that the sacrifices made are honored not only in words, but in action. What does this mean? This means investing in our people, in education, in health, and in opportunity. It means strengthening our economy so that no external pressure can dictate our destiny. It means pursuing peace, not as a sign of weakness, but as a reflection of strength. For we do not fear peace, we seek it. But let it be clear, peace must be just, peace must be dignified, and peace must be mutual. The youth of Pakistan, to them, this victory truly belongs. To you, as much as it does to any institution or any individual. You are the custodians of this nation's future. You are the generation that must transform resilience into progress and courage into creativity. Do not inherit this victory as memory. Inherit it as a mission. Let us all remember those who paid the ultimate price, those whose names are etched not just in stone, but in the conscience of this nation. We owe them more than gratitude. We owe them a Pakistan worthy of their sacrifice. 1 year ago, the world watched Pakistan. Some doubted us, some underestimated us. Today, the world knows Pakistan stands, Pakistan endures, and Pakistan prevails. And let me say this, in the spirit of those who have come before us, we are not a nation that bows before pressure. We are not a nation that compromises its sovereignty. We are a nation that rises again and again, stronger, prouder, and more united. Long live Pakistan. Long live the will of its people. Pakistan, Hamesha Zindabad.